Hello, welcome to Code Plus. Today we will learn inheritance in C++. The capability of a class to derive properties and characteristics from another class is called inheritance. It is one of the most important features of object-oriented programming. The class that inherits properties from another class is called subclass or derived class. The class whose properties are inherited by subclass is called base or superclass. Consider a group of vehicles. You need to create classes for bike, car and bus. The methods apply brakes and increase speed will be same for all of the three classes. If we create these classes avoiding inheritance, then we have to write the functions 3 times. You can clearly see that the previous process results in duplication of same code 3 times. This increases the chances of error and data redundancy. To avoid this type of situation, inheritance is used. If we create a class vehicle and write these 2 functions in it and inherit the rest of the classes from the vehicle class, then we can simply avoid the duplication of data and increase reusability. Here, vehicle is the base class and bike, car, bus are the derived classes. And access mode is the mode in which you want to inherit the subclass, that is public, private and protected. Now let's talk about modes of inheritance. If we derive a subclass from a public base class, then the public member of the base class will become public in the derived class and protected members of the base class will become protected in derived class. If we derive a subclass from a protected base class, then both public member and protected members of the base class will become protected in derived class. If we derive a subclass from a private base class, then both public member and protected members of the base class will become private in derived class. Note that the private members in the base class cannot be directly accessed in the derived class, while protected members can be directly accessed. So, this is all for today's session. For more benefits and to get updated, subscribe to our channel. Like this video, share with your friends and comment down your queries. Keep learning and keep coding. See you in the next video.